What's up guys? Matt here. Another Friday, another piano tutorial for you guys. So today we are going to be looking at one of the most famous Eagles songs out there. Not the chant, the band. It's called Desperado. Oh, Desperado, why don't you come to your senses? You've been out riding friends for so long now. That one? Well, without any further ado, let's jump right into the piano tutorial. So if we look at Desperado by the Eagles, so this introduction, this very well-known introduction, okay, we're going to start out with G in our left hand. And in our right hand, we're going to do something that is a little bit unfamiliar to some of my beginners. So we're going to do a trill, okay? Okay. And what I mean by trill is like it's almost like a triplet. You're playing 3 notes fast. And you're almost trilling the notes together. So, left hand will play the G. Your right hand, we're going to play these 3 notes one after the other. So, right above middle C, thumb on G. Second finger goes to A. Third finger goes to B. So, and these play together, it would sound like this, very slowly. One more time. And actually, this G in the left hand doesn't play until we hit the B in the right hand. So, if we do it really slowly. A little bit faster, it would sound like this. Okay, so we have that. Then we go up to a D, pinky finger on D in the right hand. Third finger goes down to B in the right hand after that. So we have basically just a G chord we're outlining. Okay, again very slowly. A little faster. Okay, so after this we go to our first chord. Okay, keeping that G in the left hand still. And our first chord, so after our triplet, D, B, then this first chord is a G7 essentially. So we have B with our thumb, we're playing, second finger on G, third finger on B, your pinky finger is on E in the right hand. It's a G7 chord. Okay, so after we play this G7, then we're outlining a G chord going down on the right hand. So we go D with your pinky, B with your third finger, thumb goes down to G. So let's play this chord, this G7 chord, get that under your fingers. And we outline this G chord. Looking back at what we have so far. A little bit faster now. Okay, then we're going to move down to a C in the left hand. But your right hand is going to be doing a very similar thing that it did on this outlining the G. Now we're going to C, so we're going to be playing another triplet or trill on starting on middle C. So we have thumb, middle C, second finger up to D, third finger to E. Play these one after another. And on the right hand we play this C, but we play this C when we get to E. So I'll show you what I mean. If we slow that down. And after that, we're going to be going up to we have this triplet. Then pinky finger plays G, down middle finger to E. Okay, so it would sound like this slowly. And we're on to hit another chord. So this chord, okay, beautiful chord, a little dissonant. It's a C minor, form of a C minor chord. Okay, in the left hand we're staying on this C. In the right hand this chord, thumb is on middle C, second finger on E flat or D sharp, and your pinky finger on A. So we have and then we move down to a G. Pinky moves down, just one note after that. So, from that C, so looking at what we have so far, starting up at G, slowly. Okay, so that's what we have so far in our introduction. Then we are going to be moving down again, okay? Move down to a G in the right hand, so it's just a single note. We play with our thumb, and G in the left hand as well. There we go. Then we hit the G in the left hand when we hit the B with our third finger in the right hand. Up to D, pinky after that, right hand, down to B, third finger in the right hand. So we're outlining a G chord basically. Okay, my fancy players, if you want to get fancy, you can almost roll to that B. You want to add that in later after you get this down. Then down to E in the left hand. While your right hand plays this chord, okay, this third, G and B. then up to D after that. Then we hit a B in the right hand, up to A in the left hand with this chord now. So your thumb is on E, pinky finger on B. Down to A, your third finger. Second finger moves down to G. And then we have a D chord with D in the left hand. And then you hit the very low D on the piano, okay? And this D chord, it's D with your thumb, third finger on F sharp, and your pinky finger on A. So let's review that last part again from this G with your thumb. So let me go into the main song. Desperado. Okay, we won't be covering all that. We're just looking at the introduction, so the well-known introduction. Okay, so from the top, I'm going to play this very slowly once, and then I'm going to play it faster one time through to give you guys an idea. Again, rewind, pause this video, do whatever you need to have to do. Make sure you get this introduction of Desperado down. This is very fun to play, and people will instantly recognize this when you play it. So here we go, from the top, very slowly. Okay, now a little bit faster just to give you an idea of overall how it would sound. Alright, so be sure to take this introduction very slowly, but once you get it down, you will feel very accomplished because it's a beautiful piano introduction, and again, people will instantly recognize this. So have a great time with this. Once you get done playing it, you're going to love it. If you guys got anything out of that video, please give it a like, hit that subscribe button, but also comment down below. Well, that's it for me. I will see you guys next Friday. Peace out, y'all.